Kita ni. Kita rin isa mag-inom-inom. Uy! Agay! Uli mga di ay ning... Ako man siguro pag umangko. Hindi na din yung mag-dito ni sa Dubai. Dali, Rosa!
Uy! Kailan pa disok si nanay oh? Nay!
Dali.
Kamusta naman ka?
Ay, okay ra. Uy, kamusta na kang... Saan may atong dito? Kayuhan.
Lagi nay, nagkagupa na rin to na eh.
Uy, bantog ra lagi.
Kung nakuhaan ka na ko si mo na nga, nakailang pa kasatuan na iba.
Ay, bisag unsa pa imong hitsura, makailag yun ko. Uy, kinsa marong nagmotor?
Uy, si Yuki man na.
Uy, ang ako man siguro tong Ig-agaw nga si Jan Jan. Jan! Uy! Kumusta? Hi, Nay! Let's go! Uy, Jan
Uy!
Jan!
Ay, excuse me! Dili si Jan Jan, no?
Wala, uy!
Ganis na ni!
Mapis!
Sister!
Ay, sister! Ay, uy da! Kamusta?
I'm fine! Di ka makag-Japan, sister.
O gani, no? Mapay pag-uli na ako.
Uy,
Kinsa
kailan mo
na?
na?
Ang guwapa ra ba?
Here's my house of my cousins. Here. Hello everyone.
Si Veronica!
Who's
Veronica!
Si Veronica!
That girl.
Kamusta, kasin? Hi, Janice! Hindi siya marunong mag Tagalog. English speaking siya do.
What is that? I don't understand you're speaking English.
Before anything else, Veronica, please sit down. Sit down, please.
Thank you.
Janice! Pamutan ako nun na siya o kung sa iyang trabaho dito sa Amerika.
Okay, Nay. I can handle this. Sister, Nanay asked, what are you doing here in the US?
Yes, I'm still here, US businessman. But I'm still here in my cousin to meet there.
Hey, sister.
Hey,
Why are you back to me in the Philippines?
I'm back from the Philippines, but I meet up my cousins. As what is your name? Why are you stay here in the Philippines?
I'm here, Veronica, for vacation. What about you, Janice?
Because I'm back in the Dubai. Because in Dubai I'm sales lady.
Oh, yeah.
And then you came here in the Philippines for what?
I'm back in the Philippines because I'm dog not eat.
Oh, that's why you're dog because you're
Because I'm
concerned.
cry.
That's cry.
That's right.
What about you, Veronica? Long time no see, girls.
Yeah. So, I'm happy for meet up you, my cousin and Miss Yuki and Janice, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
How's your family there in the US? Are you married?
Yeah, I'm married in American.
American?
Yeah. American flag. And two kids, the two boys. Yeah, then very happy family.
I have you married. What? Because you are two person two kids.
Okay. I have many car, many house here. My jewelry is many. There is,
How much is your earrings?
there are 10 million.
Dagan na mo kang utang.
Ano?
Hello sa supporters sa Caduging Viners. Salamat sa pagsuporta. God bless.